you honestly need this item or tool in your house because there are many reasons why you need it. One, it's time saving. There is consistent results. If you use it, give you consistent results. Maybe you want a particular way you want your dough to be coming out. Just using this method and putting everything, it will give you that exact result on Monday. It will give you the exact result on Tuesday. Hi everyone, welcome back to Floever's Kitchen. Yes, today I'm going to be reviewing this product, the easiest way you can mix your dough using a dough maker. Okay, I don't know if you can see very well, so I want to show you guys. So here is it. This one is from this is the Bear brand. This is the Bear brand. Okay, so this is the pot. It's really big, and I think this should be 8 liters if I'm not mistaken. It should be 8 liters. It's really big. Can you see? Really big. Has a cup. Has some measuring spoons. I think I bought this 2.5. You will check the price in the description box. Okay, I bought this from Lazada. You check the price from the description box. So this is the pot. This is where the machine will turn. Can you see very well? Yeah, you can use it to make every dough you want to, as easy as this is a cover. See how beautiful this pot looks like, this dough maker. And here is the engine. Can you see very well? And here is a spin. So you just need to pluck it. See, you just need to pluck it and put it like this. You feed the pot and put all the mixture. After putting this thing, you put all your mixture, or everything. If it is cake you're making, you put all the mixture and you connect, and it will blend itself. It will mix your dough very well with no stress. So here is the place where you can control. Here are the writing. So you just want to mix, you just press mix here. Can you see? You just press mix. You want to stop, you stop. So you want to rest, you can rest. You want to start, you start here. So it has all the instruction. Who would not like to get this in their kitchen? This is not luxury. Okay, this is a necessary item or tools to be in your kitchen in this our present world today. So we need to have something like this if you have the means, so that will save you the stress of, you know, rolling and mixing and rolling and mixing. No, actually you're going to roll, but to save you the stress of mixing. Okay, so this is a must have item. So this brand is called Lahome. Okay, Lahome. This is a Lahome brand, Bear Lahome. Okay, and it's very good because when it is mixing, when your dough is mixing, it has this four stand that it sticks to whatever surface you're using, so it can really mix very well. So this is a must-have tool in your kitchen. I hope this helps, guys. Have you ever tried using it? Please give me your review in the comment section. Tell me if you have ever used this machine or not. If you have used it, please, you can tell me in the comment section. And if this is your first time of seeing it, you've never used this before, and please try to get one. When you get one and you use it, please give me a review in the comment section. Okay, the day I'm going to be using this, I will show you how I'm using it. Okay, so this is a very important tool to have in our kitchen in this our present world. So guys, once again, here is the dough maker. This is the dough maker. Okay, this is the manual. In this manual you have all the instruction on how to go about it. Okay, so guys, sure you like it? If you like this, please give me your comments in the comment section. Guys, you honestly need this item or tool in your house because there are many reasons why you need it. One, it's time saving. It significantly reduces the time needed to dough. There is consistent results. If you use it, it will give you consistent results. Maybe you want a particular way you want your dough to be coming out. Just using this method and putting everything, it will give you that exact result on Monday. It will give you the exact result on Tuesday, provided you put in the same measurement. It will give you the same result. Another important is that less physical effort is needed. Yeah, less physical effort is needed. So it eliminates the need for manual kneading. You don't need to be doing it manually like that mixture. So less physical effort is needed. It makes your work very, very. Another important is that it has multiple functionality. Yes, because this dough maker is not only here to make dough, it can also make batter. Okay, whisk eggs, can also make some different noodles. It has a lot of functions. Yeah, not only for dough making. So having this in your kitchen will bring your kitchen like having versatility in your kitchen or different forms in your kitchen. So it's very important to have this. And another reason is that it's good for its hygienic preparation. Yes, not using your hands, bare hands, to be mixing dough and just putting everything here. It's very hygienic, very clean. So looking at those reasons, time saving, consistent result, multiple functionality, hygienic preparation, and even less physical efforts, and many more other reasons, many other more importance. Looking at that, don't you think you need this in your kitchen? You need it, guys, you need it. So if this video helps you, do not forget to. So I'm super excited to have these, guys. Thank you.